Benefits of frankincense essential oil for acne. Frankincense essential oil is one of the best oils for acne because it can turn your acne-prone skin into a healthy and rejuvenated one. It has been used for over 5,000 years. In African and Arabian regions, it was a common remedy in ancient China, and even mentioned in Bible. While it is used against a myriad of ailments, like arthritis, indigestion, headaches, etc., we are mostly interested in its ability to fight acne. Frankincense essential oil benefits for acne. 1. Regulates skin oiliness. Too much skin sebum makes your skin more vulnerable to the appearance of pimples. It happens because the pores become clogged with the excessive oils, and bacteria begin to flourish within. Frankincense essential oil reduces the excessive oiliness, but without drying up the skin completely. 2. Antibacterial. When the pores are clogged, and bacteria start to multiply inside, it leads to inflamed, irritated, and swollen pores, and acne, as a result of all this. Being a powerful antiseptic, antifungal, antimicrobial, and antibacterial, frankincense oil fights the bacteria, thus preventing acne from forming. 3. Reduces inflammation and scarring. Since the pores are inflamed in acne-prone skin, the skin itself is red and irritated, which can lead to itchiness and bigger pimples and scars. Frankincense essential oil cools down the irritated skin and relieves inflamed acne. It can also fade old acne scars and prevent existing acne from leaving behind dark scars. 4. Astringent. Frankincense oil has astringent properties, which means that it causes the contraction of skin pores, which is very useful when you have enlarged and inflamed pores. All these properties combined make frankincense essential oil a very effective and natural acne remedy.